Hello, good morning and welcome back to the garage. We are working on the E36 again today. In fact, Arne is still painting the E36's valve cover in the back there. We're doing that in the meantime, and the main thing that we want to get done today is take out the entire interior and put in the other seats that we bought a few weeks ago. There is not really a race car out there with a full black leather interior, and we are not going to be the first ones to do that. So it's going to make the car lighter to take this interior out, and we're going to make someone, a new owner for the interior, very happy with this stunning black leather interior, because it's actually kind of sad to take this interior out, but at the same time we don't need it, so it's going to go to someone else. I think it's best if we start with the front seats, so let's take those out, then the back seats, and then see what else we can take out, like the door cards, all the carpeting and everything. So it's going to be quite a job, but I hope we can get it done today. Okay, we're moving on to the boot. I already did a piece on the left side, so now we gotta take this out. Shouldn't be too hard. You can see it's almost empty in here. Let's just remove these two pieces of insulation. There we go. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. Looks nice. So for now it kind of seems that we're done with the interior. Obviously there's a lot more stuff that needs to come out. We still need to take out the door panels, and then the most difficult thing is going to be to take out the front like carpet underneath the seats and everything, because that carpet runs all the way through under the center console, so we'll have to take out the entire center console. We're thinking that we'll have to do that, so that will be something for a different day. But for now, the car does look quite different. Like there's almost no interior in the car anymore. In the front it doesn't really seem that different. We just put on these second-hand fabric seats that we bought for like 30 euros, but the back seat is entirely taken off. Here we have a close-up of Arne's face. Hello. And then when we go to the boot, this is completely taken out as well, as you would have seen, and then all that stuff is down here This is the back seat, this is a part of the back seat, and then the front seats are in here. So yeah, I think we've made quite a bit of progress here. As I said in the beginning of the video, this is the same day as when we're finishing up the valve cover, and that took a lot longer than expected. So we had less time to do the interior, but that just means that we'll have to come back another day and just finish today's work. So that's pretty fun as well. And it was pretty cool taking out the interior. I've never really stripped the car before, and we were trying to be as careful as we possibly could, so everything I think went a bit more slowly than when you're just ripping it out and you think like, I'm never going to use this again. So we took our time, took it out slowly but steadily, to make sure that someone else in the future can enjoy this beautiful interior that was in the car at this point. So yeah, I think for now the car is pretty much finished for this weekend. Again, that valve cover looks great. Just let's take one more look at the valve cover, because it's so damn fantastic. Like from the moment we put it on the car, like it looked great just with the new color, but from the moment we put it on the car, it's just, yeah, it completely transformed the entire engine bay. And as we saw in the previous video as well, I used some brake cleaner, some rim cleaner, some wheel cleaner to clean off the struts on the side, and now the blue has this incredible contrast against the white. And when you look at it from afar, like it just, I don't know if it translates well on camera, but like in real life this really looks quite mean. It immediately has like this kind of cool tuner vibe to it. I don't really want to use the word tuner too much, because it's not a tuner car, it's definitely a race car that we're going to make this into. But yeah, this is absolutely fantastic. But yeah, the interior is, when you look at it from this side, you can see that it's stripped. When you're looking at it from this side, it looks like nothing happened because the door cards are still on as well. But that will be a job for the future. For now though, everything looks great. We had a ton of fun working on this car, like a ton of fun. It was just amazing being here in the garage. We laughed a lot with each other, made some jokes. We were clumsy sometimes, taking things out or putting stuff back in, but I think that's just part of learning this entire process and learning how all this stuff works. So yeah, I think we're gonna get a good night's sleep because we're both pretty tired. And other than that, we'll see you in the next video where we continue to take out the interior and hopefully finish the entire interior part of this car. For the moment, we still need a different steering wheel, bucket seats, racing harnesses, and everything, so that will come in due time as well. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Hello and welcome back to the garage. It's a Monday evening. It's actually already dark outside. I came immediately to the garage after finishing work today because I have a small little update on the E36. After taking out the leather seats last weekend, only a few days ago, we actually decided to already put them online on a few E36 sales Facebook groups here in Belgium, and we got a very good offer for the black leather seats front and back and the door cards almost immediately, like an hour after putting them online. But obviously, if you remember where we guys left you, we still had the door cards on, or the door panels on the doors themselves. So I came down to the garage today to take them off and make sure that they are ready to be picked up by the new owner of this beautiful black leather interior. So let's look at the car real quickly, and then I'll leave you to the rest of your day. So here we are, and as you can see, the interior on the back is completely out of there, and now we also don't have any interior door panels anymore. So all of them have been taken out completely, and it's definitely not looking the prettiest right now. I do think we need some Kevlar or carbon fiber door cards or door panels for the interior in the future, but at least we can sell these parts and have a bit more budget for the car in the very near future. So yeah, this is already pretty exciting. All the interior parts are right over here, so I'm gonna take these home and then sell them to the new owner. Yeah, that's basically it. Quick little update, but I kind of wanted to tell you guys that this happened, and when we come back next time, there's like an entire new step that developed off camera. I didn't film the entire process because I wanted to do this as quickly as I possibly could. So yeah, well, we really had a lot of fun taking out the interior of this car, and I actually can't really wait to do it on like another track build in the future. Maybe an Alfa Romeo 155 or a Golf 4, that would be pretty cool, or like a Golf 3 GTI, that would be pretty cool. But for now, our thoughts and focus is completely with this E36, and we're going to use the extra money that we get from selling interior parts to buy new like mods and parts for the E36 to get closer to our end goal of making this into a 1994 recreation race winner of the Spa 24 Hours, whatever that sentence was. Thank you very much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in the next one.